and cilantro. This is my first video with the GoPro. I'm going to give it a crack, see how it goes. Hopefully the video quality is a bit better and the sound quality is a bit better, and hopefully editing isn't as much of a pain in the ass as I think it's going to be, but we'll see how we go. I have up on my stand here the Redback, which is a 2000 model Fat Boy with the 88 cubic inch motor. A few videos ago you'll see that I done a service on it, and while I was doing the service I changed out the gasket on the primary case because I had an oil leak. But when I was doing that, the one thing I didn't do, which I probably should have done at the time, was I didn't change the gasket on the inspection cover. So just have a look. So as you can see here, I've got oil coming out of here. I'm still getting my drips on the ground, so I've bought a new gasket for that, which I'm going to change now. So bear with me and we'll get this done. So I know this one was a pretty short video. Hopefully that helped some of you if you run into that problem, what to do. It's pretty straightforward, just a few screws out, bit of Loctite, and new gasket, put it all back together. The purpose of this video is really only to test what the GoPro was like. So thanks for watching, enjoy.